Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. We're opening up a new subscription to our channel. I'm so excited. We have Amoda tea subscription. So this is their monthly tea box by Amoda Tea. And look how cute the box is. So this is a unique tea subscription that they only feature teas from small companies. And it is fully customizable. They contacted me and I selected my teas, there were so many to choose from. So many unique ones, and they have descriptions for all of them. And they add 4 to 6 new teas to choose from every single month. So there's so many, you won't get bored of trying new teas if you're into teas. I'm so stoked. They sound so good. I can't wait to try them out. I'm totally gonna make a cup right after this. We'll have to decide which one. I selected mine. One of them I said surprise me, so that's an option. So there you select 4 teas, or you can select a surprise, or you can choose all of them. So I chose 3 and then I chose 1 surprise. And like I said, there's so many. I'm so excited. I could use a cup right now. You can probably tell. But it's $22 a month, but they were so kind to provide a code. So it's not affiliated. And by the way, this was sent to me free for review, not sponsored, not affiliated. But they sent a code for 40% off your first month. That is a huge code. So I had to do the math. It's like almost $9. It's $8.80 off your first month. So super awesome. Thank you, Amoda Tea, for providing that for us. Hi, Emmy. So let's get this open. I love how it comes. So I didn't look yet, but I did like break the seal, or I thought I did. Yeah. Oh my God, so when you open it up, it's so cute. Drink well, be well. Oh man, I'm so excited. I like how they come in these resealable bags. So let's take this out first. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh my God, I'm so excited to have some tea. It says here, I'm gonna read this. Hi, Amoda fam. There's a chill in the air, and your monthly tea box is here to help warm you up. As the temperature continues to drop, more fall and winter themed tea blends will be added to our inventory for subscribers to sample. This is our tea curator's favorite time of the year because all of the small tea companies we work with are handcrafting the coziest and most delicious all-natural tea blends that are absolute perfection for this season. Caramel, apples, spices, maple, you name the tea flavor. Oh my God, I love fall flavors. She's found it and we are sharing them with you. And then subscribers save 20% off. So yeah, if you love any of your teas or want to try some out and just purchase them, you get 20% off as well. Man, Emmy's being really sweet. So that is awesome. So let's get started. I love how these come. Let's start on this side. Oh my God. Oh, and it provides us with information on there. This is Lionheart, made by the Thesaurus Tea. Stumbled upon that. So it comes in this resealable bag, full, and then it has all this information. So it tells us the tasting notes, the ingredients, the caffeine level, how much to use, what type of water, and how long to steep for. Oh my God, I love this. Let's read about it. Thesaurus Tea Company, Lionheart. This combination of rooibos and bold black tea is surrounded with a rich caramel, sweet apple, and dark chocolate. A sugar-free tea blend that is a real treat with a splash of milk if desired. It has medium to low caffeine, and the ingredients are rooibos, black tea, apple pieces, pomegranate pieces, carob, calendula petals, sunflower petals, and natural flavors. I was saying I love fall, and I have the apple flavor in there. It has a caramel, sweet apple, and dark chocolate flavor. This sounds so good. And I'm feeling this around like 2 p.m., so I don't want like heavy caffeine. This is medium to low. So this might be a contender for what I make immediately following this. Well, Emmy's playing. You're so cute. Next up. Himalayan Kit Tea. I think I chose this because it's the kitty. I'm sure there's other reasons too. It's by Personalities. Oh my God, look, it has the logos too. There's a cat. Oh my God, I love it. Himalaya Kitty. I never thought of it that way before. It's such a cute pun or play on words. A full-bodied black tea infused with one of the best combinations, chocolate and hazelnut. Okay, that wasn't the only reason why I chose it. Yum. Sweet and decadent, slightly toasty with soft, nutty undertones. Perfect with or without a splash of milk. So high caffeine, so I'll probably say this for the morning. Black tea, honey bush, cocoa nibs, natural chocolate, and hazelnut flavors. Oh my God, yum. What do you think, Emmy? Kitty? Or you want me to bring the toy by you? Next up, Jasmine Bliss. This is by Tea Lee. So here's the packaging. I love how they package this and their stickers. Oh, it's so good. Okay. So a golden infusion with intoxicating floral notes and refreshing fruit pieces. This jasmine-scented green tea is enhanced with bright hints of strawberries, papaya, and oranges. Low caffeine. So this probably is the best for me to make. 2:26 p.m. Jasmine green tea, strawberry, orange peel, and papaya are their ingredients. Did I already list that? I don't know if I did, but yum. That sounds really nice. They all sound so good. So I believe those are the 3 I chose. Unless Lionheart was a surprise. Yeah, okay, so Lionheart was the surprise. Because I'm remembering now. Because I know I chose the last one. Because guess what it's called? Abundance. If you guys have been around, you know I'm all about manifestation, making my life more abundant, trying to draw more abundance in and helping other people draw more abundance into their life. So of course I had to get Abundance Tea. This is by Plum Deluxe, a tea brand I've had before. I'm pretty sure I have one of their teas. I got it in a subscription box. And it wasn't a tea subscription box, but it came in a subscription box and it's like a dessert tea. But anyways, ooh, I might be able to, I'm making this one after this. But anyways, a well-bodied grassy green tea with elderflowers and ripe passion fruit extract. Crisp and clean with a tropical aroma that is easy to fall in love with. It's abundantly delicious. So low caffeine, so good for afternoon for me. The ingredients, sencha green tea. Ooh, and they're organic ingredients too. All of them are organic because they're all starred. And so I'm not going to say it for each one. But sencha green tea, elderflowers, marigold petals, and passion fruit extract. I love elderflower stuff. Or elderberry. Are they from the same thing? I don't know. I'm taking a break from alcohol. I don't know if it's going to be like forever. I'm not going to say forever, but like I have a feeling I'll be drinking more tea. But that just reminded me because I like elderberry, like elderflower, like gin drinks sometimes. I shouldn't even be thinking about that. But anyways, I'm so excited. So they all sound so good. I'm going to make the abundance tea because I'm trying to draw in more abundance. And yeah, so I'm going to have that. And plus it's low caffeine and it's afternoon. But I'm totally going to make this next. But they all sound so freaking good. You guys, this is just like a few of the like so many teas they have. Go check out the website. I'm linking them down below. Use the code. I'll have the code down below and the link. Kitties40, I believe. In all caps is the 40% code. But again, you can just copy and paste it from the description box. Let me know what sounds the best to you. I'm so excited to go make some tea. Thank you, Amoda Tea, for sending this to me and providing us for this amazing code, that huge discount. Appreciate you so much. This just like lit me up even before the caffeine, but I'm totally gonna go and drink some and enjoy it and enjoy my afternoon. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for being here and watching this, by the way. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you.